Hello, I'm Nish, and what inspires me the most is the ability of the software to solve the greater world problems. Through technology, we can enhance our future by creating so many models, such as machine learning. It took a major role in the tough pandemic times, as we also created so many machine learning models on mass detection and so many other things. Also, what inspires me the most is the ability of the Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform to offer us such open source projects to work on, such as Tesla version 4 open source datasets and also PUBG 2. Well, some students are unaware of those datasets and are unable to find it. So it's our duty to let everybody know, and so they could get their hands on it and enhance their skills. Also, what inspires me the most is the ability of the tech giants such as Microsoft and Google to provide us with so many of opportunities, such as Microsoft Student Partner, other scholarships, other internships, undergraduate internships. Also, previously, I was not so much aware of those tech companies and all of the thing. In the third year, when I came into my third year, I had applied for a Google scholarship called Venkat Panchapakeshan Memorial Scholarship, where I got rejected. And later, but the most important thing about that was the learning process. What it did was it had pushed me to enhance my skills to very next level. Later, I also appeared for Smart India Hackathon, didn't win there too. And in this pandemic time, Snackchat had also organized a hackathon based on augmented reality and mixed reality, where I also took part. I didn't win, but I took my skills to next level, learning the new mixed reality datasets, creating augmented reality snaps, all of the things. So that's what keeps me going and inspires me. Thank you so much.